Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another product review. Just received this in the mail today, and let's find out what it is. Ooh, it's a Natiddy cordless chainsaw, 21 volts, 6-inch blade. Let's open it up and check it out. I've had a few of these before. They're very popular because here on the East Coast we have quite an abundance of storms, whether it be a hurricane, a tropical storm, just high winds, and even snowstorms that bring down trees and branches and stuff when the weight is too high. So instead of having to put a mix of oil and gas into your gas chainsaw and then hoping that it starts after you haven't used it, chainsaws, if you're not in the industry, you're not going to use your chainsaw every day. You're going to use it when you need it, such as when a big branch falls off your tree or you got to cut a tree down, right? So you don't really use it all that often, therefore the ethanol gets into the gas, and then your carburetor gets clogged up, and when you really need it, you can't start it. So the electric chainsaws are fantastic, like this one. I got this a little while back too. This is 18 volts, and I just keep it here in case I need it. But this is 21 volts from Natiddy. I don't know where you come up with the names of these things. Natiddy? Anyway, it's a nice little box, isn't it? Ooh, here we go. I got you closer. Here's an extra chain. As you can see, there's already a chain on here. So it's a nice touch for them to give you a spare in case you break yours. This is a nice touch too. Some gloves to protect you from the elements and to not get your hands dirty or scratched up from the branches. That's a nice touch. They didn't have to, but they did. Ooh, this is very lightweight. Well, then again, I really don't have the battery on here yet. Here's a screwdriver over here. Usually that's to install the chain or to tighten the chain. A pair of safety glasses, which is very important. That's a nice touch too. And also a little container here where you can put oil, or in the olden days they used to call it Earl. That's nice. Do I see a charger? And this is really cool. Not one, but two batteries. Two 21 volt, 2000 milliamps per hour lithium ion battery. That's fantastic. What I will tell you is I'm a little bit more partial to the battery packs that come with the gauge that show you how much battery life is in here. Like right now, just looking at it, I have no idea how much battery is in here. You don't know if it's dead or not and how long you can use it for. But if you had a gauge, you can just press it, and if it's like 1 bar out of 4, you know that you have to charge this up, so you can't take it somewhere in case you run into something and you take it out there. It won't work because it only has 1 bar. But if you had a gauge and you press it and you see 4 bars, you know it's fully charged. You don't have to worry about it. But that's only a thing that I think you should have. Anyway, in each battery, you got a little hole here where you can plug your charger, plug this into a 110 volt AC, and charge up your battery. Light indicator to tell you if it's red or green. That's what I'm assuming. Here we have a little safety protector thing so that you don't put your hand here and cut it. I don't know what this dial is for, but I'm assuming it's for tightening the chain and stuff. There's a safety switch. You press this and then pull the trigger. This is a rubber grip over here, although I can't really feel it because I have gloves on. Oh, I do have gloves on. Yes, it is a rubber grip right around here. Feels good. Let's plug in the battery, eh? That's cool. Maybe we should try it. So outside my house, I have this weeping willow type bush. It could use some trimming. I haven't trimmed it in a long time. And with the winter coming, some trimming would be nice. You see how this one here is growing upwards and out? You kind of want it to grow downwards. So I'm just going to cut it right here. Wow, that was fast. Look at that. This is okay. This is okay. Over here I also have one growing outwards. I'll just cut this one off completely. Wow, that's fast. And this is very lightweight too. Very lightweight. Super fast. That's fantastic. Over here, I have a yucky weed tree. You know, it's a weed that you didn't pull out, so now it's a tree. You gotta get rid of this. Wow, this is really strong. Very unexpected, but it's very strong. Oh man, that's fantastic. I'll be here all day doing this. It's too much fun. As you can see, you can get carried away. It's so much fun. These gloves really help too. Won't scratch up your hands. Natiddy 6-inch power electric mini chainsaw. Perfect for clearing branches and cutting down small trees and shrubs. It worked great. Plenty of power. I don't know how much power is left in here, but it's got plenty of power. 21 volts, 2,000 milliamps per hour. It's fantastic. Lithium ion, they give you 2 batteries, plus some goodies in a nice toolbox. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Go check it out. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.